Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need two things: the equipment and a dark environment. Start by equipping night vision on your compatible weapon, helmet, or vehicle. Open the interaction menu or weapon wheel and assign the optic, then position yourself in a low-light zone. Rooftops, tunnels, or night maps work best. Once done, aim down sights or press the toggle key to activate night vision. You'll immediately see enhanced contrast and green hues that reveal enemies and objects you'd otherwise miss. Now refine how you use it. Go to Settings and tweak brightness and HUD so night vision isn't washed out. Use thermal optics when players wear heavy gear because thermal highlights heat signatures. Switch between optics by cycling weapons or using quick weapon slots. Make sure to pair night vision with suppressed weapons and slow movement when on foot, or drive at night in armored vehicles for stealthy recon. These choices increase detection range and reduce the chance you'll be seen before you see them. Finish by knowing when to turn it off. Entering bright interiors or explosions will blind the effect, so toggle night vision off to regain normal sight. If it flickers or fails, re-equip the optic, restart the session, or check for weapon/vehicle mods that conflict. Practice these toggles in free roam and in heists until switching is instinctive. Doing so makes you faster and safer. If problems persist, try another compatible optic to isolate the issue and keep playing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.